So this is one of the typical rooms. All these are rooms. So the whole wing is running on solar. Welcome on board. So we have the fan, we have the TV, and the lights in the room. We also have the water heating system inside the bathroom. All these are running on solar. So now I'm also taking it to the swimming pool, whereby the swimming pool pump is also running on solar. All those units are running on solar, including this storage block here, all the security lights, water pumping, and those hats over there, all of them, they are running on the same system, solar system. As you can see, this is a swimming pool, and the pool pumps are all running on solar. This water is being pumped from a reservoir tank over there, and the reservoir tank is also connected now to the swimming pool pump that is running entirely on solar. So initially, before the solar was installed, they were having problems of people not being able to swim because the water was dirty and it was a bit difficult to refill and also clean. So right now, welcome to Sandai Resort, where you are guaranteed of power and you'll have enough leisure as you feel like. So this is Power Africa Solar PV Tech, a company that deals in renewable energy on a commercial scale, domestic and industrial scale. So in case you have a hotel, you have a restaurant that you need it powered, please check our contacts below. Thank you very much.